Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, ggfaison, and I welcome you all into my home once again. Now guys, today's video is part of a collaboration, and you might want to go ahead, grab your coffee or tea, and maybe even a snack. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now this video is all about May and May flowers. So, we will be sharing with you how we will be decorating this vignette or these vignettes using flowers. That was one of the recommendations to participate, is you have to include flowers and you must have fun. Now this collaboration is hosted by my dear friend Antonette Decorating, and her co-host this month is Rebekah Fraser. Now I say this month because this is a challenge that Antoinette hosts monthly, and each month she will have a different host. Now guys, I am using this butcher block here to create my vignette using this beautiful teapot. I will add some flowers and little tea cloths. So guys, sit back, relax. But if you're new, let me take this time to say I welcome you here and I thank you for stopping by. If you would love to become a part of this family, I promise you it's easy. Hit that red subscribe button and then that bell, tap it twice as you see all. And that way you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. Now guys, I have done my welcome. I'm going to thank all of you that continue to support me. I appreciate you so much. And now I will ask that you sit back, relax, and enjoy the music as I continue to work. Don't forget the playlist link of all of the other creators. And I'm going to thank the host and co-host for this collaboration. Be blessed, everyone. Take care and enjoy. Now guys, it's May. It's about the flowers, and it's also about Mother's Day. So this would be a great way to surprise Mom by creating her vignette either in her home or creating one and displaying it for her. I think this would be an awesome idea and any mother would appreciate it. So guys, I do appreciate each and every one of you, so continue to watch, and I wish all mothers a happy Mother's Day. Thank you guys, be blessed, and continue to watch and enjoy the music. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And also a special thanks to the host and co-host for this collaboration. And for all of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you. And for all of you that are new, I welcome you.